I came here on Archana ma'am's recommendation. It was a wonderful experience here. I got to interact with many senior artists and I got to take a look at many different types of arts, and yes, I loved it.
We were here as a part of Abhivyakti for the last 2 days. I'll say exceptional arrangements. Everything was impeccable. I have not really seen a better arrangement in the past. This really helped us to express our feelings. Our children are enjoying. My wife is participating. So exceptional work here. So,
Absolutely great, and I really enjoyed while painting, and the teachers who had guided us about it, and we had a lot of fun, especially with our peers and everyone. It was a really truly experience.
Wow, this was a truly great experience seeing all these artists gathered up in one place. It was truly inspiring. We learned a lot of stuff. Seeing all these paintings in exhibition here was amazing. Different art styles to explore. It was pretty unique. And as a part of the organizing team, and I would like to say from my peers, this was a truly great experience and we enjoyed it a lot.